So today we're outside by the pergola, and it's 16 panels of Hyperion 405 watt panels. But we're going to expand that pergola, and the goal is to have 2 strings of 12 or 24. Right now I got 2 strings of 8, and we may even look into actually doing some paralleling. Maybe do 2 strings of 6 parallel to one MPPT, and then another 2 strings of 6 parallel to the other MPPT on the FlexBoss 21, because the FlexBoss 21 can handle up to 26 amps of PV coming in. But it's pretty day to day, and we're going to show you how we ordered some more panels for this pergola expansion and how fast it came from Signature Solar. They're really quick with their turnaround. I know the credits are about to go away, the solar tax credits at the end of the year. If you want to get your project in before the end of the year, Signature Solar can help you get that done really fast by shipping out the equipment that you order in no time flat. There you go. That's 10. That's 10. Look like they packaged it good. You just put them like right along there for me. Still on the sidewalk. That's perfect. All right, Alice. That's perfect, baby. That's perfect. Yep, David Newman. That's me. You got nothing for me to sign? We good? All right, we're good. All right, you too, brother. All right, folks, so I placed this order for these 10 panels to expand my pergola over here. We're going to add 8 more panels to it and have 2 extras. But I ordered it from Signature Solar on Thursday, and they shipped it out on Friday. Today is Monday, and here they are already, well packaged. You can see that they put a lot of work into packaging this right. I haven't pulled it apart yet to make sure everything's fine. We're going to do that as soon as possible here. But it came so quick. It's unbelievable how fast they're shipping stuff out. So if you really want to beat the deadline for the tax credits that are going away at the end of the year, get a project in before that happens, I'd recommend ordering soon, because things are going to come out fast. They're trying to get stuff out as fast as they can if it's in stock, and this is living proof of it. So we're going to go ahead and try to get these loose and get them in the backyard here. Probably should have had the guy put them in the backyard, but you know, I had to bust them up anyway to make sure they are okay, so it wouldn't have mattered 6 one way, half a dozen the other. All right, folks, we'll see you on the other side of this. All the panels made it here fine, no damage at all 10, and we've got them stored here on the patio until we're ready to expand the pergola. Got to do a little research on how I want to do that, but that was really fast. I'm very impressed with how Signature Solar is packing things now. I've had panels damaged from them before, and they handled replacing them right away, but it's better to not have them damaged at all, and this time that's what happened. So great job by Signature Solar. Really impressed with the turnaround time. Now I just got to find time to expand the pergola and start getting a little more energy into my system a little bit faster for those summertime months when I got the AC cranked and I might have some showers in the afternoon. I would like to have the extra juice. So here's the panels on Signature Solar's website. I'll put a link in the description below, and you will also get a discount if you use my link, and I'd appreciate you helping the channel out by using my links. A lot of good stuff at Signature Solar. I've got another video I'm coming out with that's going to give you all the Black Friday deals that they're doing. But this panel that I just purchased 10 more of, I already have 16, is $138.91 a piece. That's 34.1 cents per watt for these panels. And the minimum purchase is 10 panels. They're 405 watts each. The VOC is 37.28. The ISC is 13.87 amps. And they're not too big. They're 67.8 inches long by 44.65 inches wide and only 1.18 inches thick. One of the things I really was concerned with is that they were sturdy, and these panels can handle up to wind loads of 2,400 PA and snow loads up to 5,400 PA. So if you live in Hurricane Alley or like I do, Southeast Louisiana, we get hurricanes and storms all the time. So wind loads is something that I would be looking at. Snow loads is something that's a rarity here. So it's not really that big of a deal. But we do have a lot of rain and cloudy days. So low light performance is another thing that I was really impressed with this panel. That's why I decided to continue using them, and I'm going to expand it. But it's a really nice panel. I highly recommend it. And like I said, there'll be a link in the description below, and you'll get a discount if you use the link.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video.